Production prototypes rolling off the line at INEOS Automotive's Hambach plant signal the final stage in the company's transition from project to automotive manufacturer. Since acquiring Hambach in January 2021, INEOS has invested over €50 million in addition to the €470 million invested in 2019 by Mercedes-Benz in an all-new production line. The line now dedicated to the Grenadier includes a new fully automated body shop, a new semi-automated paint shop, and an upgraded general assembly facility. Hambach also benefits from a new high-tech quality assessment center. Having taken just 12 months to reconfigure the new line for the Grenadier, INEOS is nearing the end of a first production tryout phase. Building 130 PTO1 Grenadiers is crucial for defining the assembly process and also provides the engineering team with production representative vehicles for final rounds of testing and certification. Full pricing and specifications will be announced in April 2022, when customers in Europe, Africa, Asia Pacific and the Middle East can finalize their orders either directly with INEOS online or via their local retailer. North America will follow later this year.